السلام عليك يا حجة الله في أرضه السلام عليك أين الله في خلقه السلام عليك.
There is something between Imam Mahdi Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif and youths which is special. When we read the hadith, it says that great majority of helpers of Imam Mahdi are young people. There would be some older people, maybe middle-aged and old, but it's like salt in food. So if you make food, the majority of food is rice, meat, other things, vegetables. There is little salt. So majority of the helpers of Imam Mahdi Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif are young people, but of course those old people are there to give their wise ideas, to support, to help. But because this mission needs, perhaps, this is my understanding, needs lots of activities, lots of work, and also needs, to be fresh and to be dynamic and vibrant, and maybe also to relate to the other youths of the world. So most of the helpers of Imam Mahdi Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif would be young people. Even Imam himself, when people see him, he looks young. But young here can mean some 30 years old, because up to 40 is like young. So maybe Imam looks someone who is some 30 years old. So this is the starting point for our reflection. So it shows that the youths must not think they have a marginal role. The youth must know that they have a very central role in preparing, and then when Imam comes, in helping Imam alayhi salam.
السلام عليك يا حجة